Semrush AI Review, Usage Experience. Welcome to my Semrush AI Review. In this video, I'll be sharing my experience with Semrush's AI tools and how they can streamline your digital marketing efforts. If you're interested in exploring the product further, be sure to check out the links in the description below. Semrush has long been known as a powerhouse in SEO and digital marketing, and with the introduction of its AI tools, it's taken things to the next level. Designed for marketers, content creators, and SEO professionals, Semrush AI provides a suite of tools that help you generate high-quality, SEO-optimized content, analyze your competitors, and enhance your overall digital strategy. One of the standout features of Semrush AI is its content generation tool, which uses AI to help you create blog posts, articles, and other written content that are both engaging and SEO-friendly. It suggests keywords, topics, and provides real-time optimization feedback, ensuring your content ranks well on search engines. This makes it a great solution for marketers who need to produce high-volume content without sacrificing quality. Another great feature is the AI-powered keyword research tool, which takes the guesswork out of SEO by analyzing search trends and user intent. This allows you to target the right keywords and create content that resonates with your audience, improving your chances of ranking higher in search results. The competitor analysis tool is another key feature. Semrush AI lets you easily track competitor strategies and identify gaps in their content. This gives you a competitive edge by allowing you to refine your approach and stay ahead of the curve. Semrush AI is designed for digital marketers, SEO professionals, content creators, and business owners who want to optimize their online presence. Whether you're creating content, analyzing your competitors, or improving your SEO strategy, Semrush AI simplifies the process and delivers powerful insights. In conclusion, Semrush AI is a robust, feature-packed tool that enhances the way you approach digital marketing. With its AI-driven features and ease of use, it's an invaluable asset for anyone looking to level up their online presence. Be sure to check the links in the description for more information. Thanks for watching.